In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy a new Clipper card and how to add value to an existing one at a BART ticket machine. BART ticket machines accept cash, credit, and debit cards, giving you multiple ways to pay for your ride. Plus, I'll show you how to easily reload an existing Clipper card. Let's get started. To pay with a credit or debit card, start by swiping your card. In this example, I'll choose credit card. The machine will notify you about the $3 card issue fee and ask if you want to continue. Select Yes to proceed. By default, the card starts with $20, but after the card fee, the value will be $17. Use the plus and minus buttons to add or subtract value based on your travel needs. Once you're ready, select Issue Clipper Card, and your new card will be dispensed. Now let's buy a Clipper card using cash. Start by inserting coins or bills into the feeder on the right side of the machine. Just like before, the machine will notify you about the $3 card issue fee. Hit Yes to continue. Keep adding money or select Issue Clipper Card once you've added your desired amount. Your new Clipper card will be dispensed and ready to use. Already have a Clipper card? Here's how to reload it at a BART ticket machine. Start by tapping your Clipper card on the blue disc to the right of the ticket machine. The machine will ask you to insert cash or swipe your credit or debit card. For this example, we'll add value with cash. Insert your cash, then select Accept once you've reached your desired amount. The screen will instruct you to tap your Clipper card on the blue disc again to complete the transaction. Once you do, you're done. Your new balance is updated. Now you know how to buy and reload a Clipper card at a BART ticket machine. For more tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.